Every maintenance operation has the same objective: keep assets available, reliable, and safe to operate. But achieving that requires dozens of actions across people, processes, and systems. When those actions aren't connected, maintenance gets delayed, jobs get stuck in the process, and accountability gets lost. Maintenance teams end up spending their time coordinating the process instead of improving it. This is Faclon CMMS, built within IOSense. It brings together three sources of maintenance: preventive maintenance to keep assets maintained on schedule, corrective maintenance to address reported faults, predictive maintenance using AI to identify emerging issues. Regardless of how a job starts, it moves through one connected maintenance lifecycle, from the initial request to planning and resources, through warehouse and procurement with purchase requests, PO creation and end-to-end GRN tracking, execution, verification, and closure. Connected intelligence. And because Faclon combines CMMS with industrial IoT and AI, maintenance can also be triggered by what is happening on the equipment. Equipment data such as vibration, temperature, and current can be continuously monitored, allowing the AI agent to identify abnormal conditions and initiate a maintenance request. That request enters the same approval and maintenance workflow as any other job. Let's see how it works. Asset and digital logbook. A maintenance request can be raised directly against an asset from the dashboard with the relevant fault details, priority, and supporting information. The request moves to the approval desk, and once approved, Faclon creates the corresponding entry in your ERP and moves the job forward. Material and procurement. Next, we handle the resources required to execute the job. Materials and service requests can be selected and approved against the job. If materials are available, they can be reserved. If they aren't, procurement is initiated through your ERP and the job moves into the procurement stage until confirmation is received. Once the required resources are ready, the order is created in your ERP and the technician is assigned. Execution. The technician receives the job details and IO form link directly by email, opens it on their phone, and records the execution details, checklists, and evidence. Even in areas without connectivity, the technician can submit the form, and the data is automatically synced once the device is back online. Verification and closure. The completed job then moves through supervisor verification, end user acknowledgement, and engineer verification. The engineer can confirm whether the equipment is safe for operation. Once verified, the order is closed in your ERP in real time. Every stage has a clear status, owner, and record. Maintenance visibility. And because the entire life cycle is connected, teams can see how maintenance is performing. The analytics dashboard brings together PM compliance, MTTR, MTBF, maintenance cost, overdue jobs, and failing assets. It also shows technician workload and where open jobs are getting stuck across the workflow, making it easier to identify bottlenecks and where action is pending. For individual jobs, the timeline provides a stage-by-stage view of the life cycle and the time spent at each stage. Our goal is not just to manage maintenance, it is to keep your assets available, reliable, and safe to operate. Faclon CMMS connects your entire maintenance lifecycle to make that possible.